This is the MegaWise 1.5 liter cool mist humidifier, and it just works wonderfully. It's perfect for your bedroom, your home, your office, and for your plants too. You can even add different flavors of essential oils for a soothing atmosphere. Moisturize the air in your home all day long. The half-gallon capacity allows you to run it for 10 hours on low setting, 8 hours on medium setting, and 6 hours on high setting. It's also ultra quiet. It runs at 25 decibels, so perfect for your nursery, your home, and your office too. It's also BPA free. It's very light and portable and also stylish too. This is also very easy to use. All you have to do is remove it from the top of the unit, turn this to remove the cap, and then fill it with purified water. Then secure the cap back on and put it inside this unit. This top cap you can even remove and put it on a different direction as well. Now to turn it on, you just turn this knob and then it will turn on to low, medium, and all the way to high. Wow, look at it go. I was sent this from MegaWise and it just works wonderfully. I'm really impressed with it and it works ultra fast. This is the MegaWise 3.5 liter humidifier and it is awesome. It adds humidity into the air so it's not dry. It's great for children, adults, as well as pets and plants too. There's this light in the back that you can turn on or off, and it is also so easy to clean, as well as fill up too. There's this really large opening here on the top, so it's very easy to clean. And there's two ways of filling this up. You can fill it up straight from the top, or you can put this lid back on and fill it up from there as well. Let me show you both ways of how easy it is to fill up. First, turn off the unit. Make sure it's off. And then you fill up the container. Then you put this lid on. And if you want, you can even fill it up from here, the top too. How easy and versatile is that? Then all you have to do is turn it on. Wow, look at it go. And if you want, you can move this around and it'll change the direction. Look how cool that is. It makes it nice, cool, and refreshing. And the nice thing is, it's a cool mist, so it's not gonna burn your hand. And it just feels so good. Really puts out a lot of humidity. Now let me lower it so you can see what it looks like on low. Perfect. The really nice feature is there's also an auto shutoff. So when all the water's gone, you don't have to worry, it's gonna turn off all by itself. Look how beautiful it is as it changes in the dark. It is so pretty and so relaxing too. It's so soothing as well. I just love all the colors. Very relaxing and serene. So tranquil. And if you want to add a few drops of essential oils, it'll make your whole house smell so wonderful and relaxing too. I was sent this from MegaWise to evaluate and to give my opinion, and I absolutely love it. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.